Hey, this is Tim, and I got an important announcement to tell you. I've been working on this key here, and it's not done yet, but this key is going to be for first-time home buyers. And the goal is to help as many first-time home buyers as I can this year hold this key and take a picture and really celebrate. Now, if you're looking to buy a home this year, it's very important that you contact me. Contact me as soon as you can so we can go over your income, assets, liability, and debt and make sure you have all your ducks in a row. Because I want to make sure you get the best deal and the best rate. And the only way to do that is I can share some of the hacks, like how to season assets or how to save for your down payment and all that good stuff. So contact me and don't wait until 2 or 3 weeks before your lease is up and then you're scrambling around looking to get pre-approved. So go ahead and contact me as soon as you can so we can have a quick 15-minute phone call. Make sure you have all your ducks in a row to get the best deal, and we can hold this key and make you a first-time home buyer. For more information on buying homes, contact me. My information is below. Thanks.